In this video, I'll guide you through how to search hotels by location on Agoda. Whether you're planning a quick weekend away or a longer vacation, knowing how to quickly find the right place to stay in the right area can save you a lot of time and stress. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along on either your computer or your phone. First, open the Agoda website in your browser or launch the Agoda app if you have it installed on your mobile device. The overall process is the same on both, so use whichever you're more comfortable with. Make sure you have a stable internet connection because the site will need to load live prices and availability as you search. Once Agoda is open, look for the main search bar on the home screen. This is where you'll tell Agoda where you want to stay. Click or tap on the search bar and start typing a city, a specific area, or a destination. For example, you can type a city name like Tokyo or a more precise area within a city, such as a neighborhood or district, if you already know where you want to be based. As you type, Agoda will usually show you suggestions. Take a moment to scan those suggestions and choose the one that best matches where you actually want to go. This helps avoid ending up with results from the wrong country or a similarly named town. After you've chosen your location, it's time to select your dates and guests. Right next to the location field, you'll see options to set your check-in and check-out dates. Click or tap on the date field and a calendar will appear. Choose your arrival date first, then your departure date. Try to be as accurate as possible because prices and availability can change a lot between weekdays, weekends, and holidays. If your dates are flexible, you might even want to try a couple of different combinations later to compare prices. Next, set the number of guests and rooms. There's usually a field that lets you choose how many adults, how many children, and sometimes the number of rooms. Adjust these to reflect who's actually traveling. This matters because hotels often have different room types, maximum occupancy rules, and price structures depending on how many people are staying. Once you've set this correctly, Agoda will be able to show you rooms that can actually accommodate your group. When your location, dates, and guest details are all set, click or tap the search button. This is what triggers Agoda to look for hotels that match everything you've entered. It may take a few seconds, especially during busy travel seasons, so give it a moment to load. After the search finishes, you'll see a list of hotels in the location you chose, matching the dates and guest details you set. From here, you can start exploring. Scroll through the list to view hotel names, photos, prices, ratings, and locations on the map. If you want to refine your results further, you can use filters and sorting options such as price range, star rating, or distance from a landmark, but the core search based on location is already complete. That's all you need to do to search hotels by location on Agoda. By entering your destination, setting your dates and guests, hitting search, and then browsing the list, you'll quickly get a clear view of the options available in the area you want.